Watch me show you how easy it is to use my professional Mini Trifold template. Okay, I've made this folio previously, and it is one of my best sellers. I uploaded these images to Canva to show you how it works. Mine was created using Photoshop because I have decades of experience with it and prefer it over Canva in creating. But here we are, simply dragging and dropping the top to the outside folio and then the pockets, and then we're going to create the little tags. Next is our inside folio, and I usually just use the backing sheet, which you can also give to the customer separately. We're going to drag and drop that in. And then this part here, what I'm doing is lining it up. It really does not matter for the fact that these pockets are going to fold in and you will never see these images again. But you see how it's a little transparent there? When it becomes crystal clear, it's lined up. The little cards don't matter. What we're going to do with those, that's going to be the back of the reindeer. Whatever images you have for your tags, those are going to be the backs. Then we have these assembly instructions. These are like generic instructions that mimic the mock-ups I've made. I have no idea what I was saying there. Okay, so, oops, I'm dragging in the wrong spot. Oh, I know what I was saying. You download the folios, the outside and inside that you just made, and then re-upload them to Canva to drag into the templates. This instruction sheet shows that we're giving them two options that they can do. They can also print onto the backing sheet instead of gluing the two folios together. Next, we are going to create the folio showing them how to assemble it, where they're going to fold up those pockets right there. That's the inside, and then the outside is folded into the inside. I'm realigning where I put the little pockets. Since it's separated now, you're going to have to kind of adjust it. It does not really matter here. It's just to give the customer an idea of what it's going to look like when it's finished. We're doing the same thing, dragging and dropping, putting the tags in. And the last mock-up is going to be our folio all closed up. So just drag in the correct images. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see there is a little sliver over there. And that is the outside, I'm going to call them flaps, folding in. So I'm going to drag and drop that. It kind of wouldn't let me do it because, I don't know, zoomed in too far, acts weird. All right, there is our folio all closed up. And we've now completed it. This is our large mock-ups that you can use for your Etsy listing. And you are going to download those as transparent PNGs if you want to put them on a different background, or you can use Canva and grab your own background. And now we're ready to drag and drop those. Those works the exact same way as what we just did. So to cut this video short, we're going to go ahead and skip on over to the animated printer. This is going to be your MP4 video for your Etsy listing, and it does help make sales. It also lets them know, hey, this is not a physical product. You're going to have to print it out. Oh, I realized I already had my logo in there, but it's going to look like this when you get it. So you can just drag and drop your own logo in there. You can delete that if you do not want the logo. And here we are, video played. So that's a great asset. Just download that as an MP4. We're done.